Welcome, welcome to Write, Publish, Promote about this course. The beginning. We all begin at the beginning with the blank page, the uncertainty, the questions. Chances are we've been where you are. Maybe you don't know what a plot point is or what the heck show don't tell means. For some, perhaps you're not sure if you're ready to hit the publish button. For others, it could be that marketing sounds like an icky, sticky, dirty word. Believe me, we understand. Don't worry, we got you. We've both learned that at every stage of the process there are new hurdles to overcome. There are as many ways to fail as there are to succeed, but you can't get to where you want to go without taking the first step, writing the first word, learning, growing, and sticking with it. Being open to trying new things goes a long way too. Along with the practical how-tos contained in this course, how to outline, format, and content marketing, just to name a few, we also highlight a healthy mindset that's important for creatives in this industry. Not sure what that's all about? We'll get to it. Redefining failure. Over the years, we've learned a lot about failure. The biggest lesson is to pick yourself up, learn from mistakes, as well as triumphs, and keep going. There's a saying that goes something like, you only fail if you quit. Along with a clear blueprint to navigate the writing, publishing, and promotion process, we want you to succeed. So we're providing all the lessons we've learned, corrections to the mistakes we've made, the shortcuts when they work, and detours to avoid to save you time, energy, and frustration. We all have dreams. There are things we want to do with the precious time we have on this planet. So many people stop themselves from turning their dreams into goals and then reality because they don't have enough time, they're not sure of the process, it's overwhelming, or they just don't believe it's possible. When all of those problems combine, people give up. We aren't going to let that happen to you, and you aren't going to let that happen to you. Your dreams might be taking an idea and making it into a story, or honing a skill like marketing, or perhaps building a writing career as a way to create a strong residual income that pays for that cottage by the lake to spend summers with the family. Your future. This course will save you time by clearly outlining the writing, publishing, and promotion process. We will instill the belief that ideas or dreams can turn into goals, which can then become reality. It takes consistency, persistence, and patience, but we'll get to that. We cover all the basics with practical instruction and strategies. We get into the nitty-gritty and add a dash of motivation to keep you going. The following slides outline just some of the things you'll learn in this course. Module 1, Write. Brainstorming, writing to market, word counts, grammar, formatting mistakes most people make, and how to correct them. Plotting, point of view, outlining, revising methods, the importance of reading in your genre, and more. Module 2, Publish. Paths to publishing, what exactly is self-publishing, author branding, publishing platforms, file formatting, pricing, cover art, and more. Module 3, Promote. Setting up a simple website, social media for authors, newsletters, content marketing versus paid marketing, leveraging a backlist, promotional services, and more. In fact, each of the 3 modules contains 25 lessons with more to be added, and you'll also have lifetime access. Are you ready? In the meantime, think about this. If you want something you've never had, you have to do something you've never done. Let's go. Enroll today. Your dream is waiting. Write, publish, promote your novel with Amy and Ellie, a blueprint to bring you from blank page to finished book and beyond. Sign up at wpp.teachable.com.